What's up guys, PC here, and today we're checking out the HP OmniBook Ultra Flip, HP's latest 2-in-1 laptop, which is here to replace the Spectre 14. Okay then, without further ado, let's dive in. So first impressions, the OmniBook Ultra Flip is fantastic for students and casual users. Now, if you're someone who's just looking for a reliable laptop for home or office work with a bit of light gaming or simple coding, this is definitely worth the look. And looks-wise, it's got the same sleek design as the Spectre, but it's actually smaller, lighter, and packs Intel's new Lunar Lake processor, which gives it the snappy feel. Now, if I want to talk about the performance, it's packed with the Lunar Lake chip. It's great for single-core tasks, which makes everything feel pretty fast and responsive, but it's a big but. The multi-core performance isn't anything groundbreaking, so if you're doing heavy multitasking or running performance-demanding applications, this might not be the laptop for you. And the traditional OmniBook Ultra version with the AMD's Ryzen 9 is actually better if you need that extra horsepower. Now, if I want to talk about displays and features at the moment, I'd say that we've got a gorgeous 2.8K OLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. It's super sharp and the colors really pop, and it even has a dynamic refresh rate to adjust to save battery at times when you need it. However, the brightness is just decent at 400 nits, so the outdoor visibility might not be that awesome, with a bit of challenge with the reflections. And while it is a 2-in-1, so you can use it with a pen, but HP is not including the pen in most of the packages. That is an extra, but if you do get it, the pen is super responsive, especially with over 4,000 pressure levels. Now, if I want to talk about the pros and cons now, there are some things that are awesome and there are some things that are not so great. So it's light, the speakers are really impressive, and it's super quiet and minimal fan noise. A huge improvement over the Spectre, which obviously you guys know. And if I want to talk about the cons or the downsides, there are limited port selection with just 3 USB-C ports and no USB-A, which means dongles if you have any older peripherals. And the battery life is okay, around 15 hours for light use, and it's not the best at the price. And as I previously mentioned, the display only goes up to 400 nits, which is not awesome, and the outdoor visibility is basically non-existent. Plus, it does a poor job at reflections. So, bottom line, the OmniBook Ultra Flip is perfect for those with basic computing needs like school or light office work, but definitely don't buy it at a full price because HP laptops do go on sale frequently, so check for deals. And yeah, that's all for today. And thank you for watching, and goodbye.